Hello. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the other planets in our solar system? How are they different from Earth? Today, we're going to explore some of the key properties of objects in our solar system, including the Sun, planets, Moon, and compare them to our own planet Earth. Let's start with the Sun, the star at the center of our solar system. The Sun is a massive ball of hot plasma that provides light and heat to all the planets. The Sun is much larger than Earth, with a diameter about 109 times greater. The Sun's gravitational force is also much stronger than Earth's, keeping all the planets in orbit around the Sun. Now let's take a look at the planets. The planets are large spherical objects that orbit the Sun. They can be divided into two main categories: terrestrial planets and gas giants. Terrestrial planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are rocky and have solid surfaces. Gas giants like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are mostly made of gas and have no solid surfaces. One of the most important properties that distinguishes planets is their distance from the Sun. This distance determines the amount of sunlight they receive, which in turn affects their temperature and the presence of an atmosphere. Earth is located in what's called the Goldilocks zone, where it's not too hot and not too cold for liquid water to exist, which is a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. Another key property is the speed and the movement of the planets. All planets orbit the Sun in a slightly elliptical path with varying speeds depending upon their distance from the Sun. The planets also rotate on their axis like Earth does. The speed of rotation affects the length of a planet's day. Mercury has a day that lasts for 4,223 hours, while Earth has a day that lasts for 24 hours. The presence of an atmosphere is another crucial factor that sets planets apart. Earth's atmosphere is composed of nitrogen, oxygen, and some other gases, which help to regulate temperature and protect us from harmful radiation. Other planets, like Mars, have very thin atmospheres, while some, like Jupiter, have thick atmospheres made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Finally, let's talk about moons. Moons are natural satellites that orbit planets. Earth has one moon, while other planets have many or none at all. Moons have a wide range of properties, including size, composition, and surface features. Some moons, like Saturn's Titan, even have an atmosphere consisting mainly of nitrogen gas. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that our solar system is filled with a diverse array of objects, each with its own unique properties. By comparing and contrasting these properties, we can gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. I hope you enjoyed this journey through our solar system. Thank you for watching.